Dream Color consists of 100% wool, and it is available in big amazing skeins of 3.53 ounces each with a long yardage of 437 yards. That's 100 grams for 400 meters. The yarn has a slow, beautiful color transition, and it is available in a unique color range. Dream Color can transform even the most simple patterns into beautiful, unique creations. Dream Color is available in a wide range of colors with subtle color transitions, so the colors are mixed into surprisingly beautiful hues. The exciting thing about this yarn is that you will never know for sure what the final result will look like. Each skein has its own unique color combination, and it will be never boring to knit or crochet with, since lots of new hues and color variation will appear as your work develops. Use Dream Color for fabulous shawls and scarves, hats, tops, ponchos, or maybe even add a little bit of fluffiness to it, maybe some kid silk or a diablo for an extra warm and fluffy creation.